जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम students. Today we will discuss about question number 10, 11 from exercise 4a. What is the statement of the question? Statement of question number 10, which is intermediate level question. It is given that Xi is a set, as Xi in the terms of set is a universal set. Universal set is the same as it is basic, complete as a will be treated as a whole set, and all the subsets will be given in this set. So that means Xi set is a set x such that x is an integer between 0 and 10. So that means 0 and 10 are not inclusive, but all the remaining terms between 0 and 10 will be inclusive. And now what is the second set? And set C. X is a x such that x is not a prime number. Prime number and not a prime number. Firstly, we will discuss about, let's suppose this is a I have written here, let's suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means this one and this one are inclusive, but in the question it is mentioned that we will take only the number between 0 and 10. So that means we have to delete this one 0 and last one 10 number. Is it okay? So this is the universal set which is given as Xi set. This is the universal set and question number 10. Okay student, now what is the second statement? Second set, set C which is x such that x is not a prime number. As we already know that the prime number always started from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sorry, 9 is not a prime number because 9 contain other than 2 factors. 9 is not a prime number. And what is the next? 11, 13, 17. Okay student, these are the prime numbers, but in the question number 10 it is mentioned that C is a set and C is a set containing all elements of set which are not prime number, so this is also prime number, this is also prime number, this is also prime number, also prime number. Now what are the remaining set which is set, sorry, what is the set C which is 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. These are the elements of set E. Now moving to the part 1 and part 2. What is the statement of part 1? List all the elements of set Xi and set C and C complement in set notation. As we already discussed about the universal set C, okay, and the very next, what is the C complement? So all the remaining elements of universal set C complement, all the remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? As we already know, this is the these are the elements which are not a prime number. Now what are the next numbers? These are 2, 3, 5, 7, and these are the prime number. If we will observe that all these numbers are the prime number, now what is the second statement? This is the part 1. What is the statement of part 2? Question number 10 part. Describe the set C complement in words. Now observe the C complement. C complement is the set of all prime number. Set of all prime numbers. Set of all prime numbers. So that means C prime is the set of prime number, but necessary condition will be prime numbers between 0 and 10, between 0 and 10. This is question number 10. Now moving to the question number 11. What is the statement of question number 11? Question number 11, it is given that Universal Xi is a universal set containing the first 10 letters of the English alphabet, and D is the set of consonants. आप यूनिवर्सल सेट लेंगे एंड ऑल्सो यू विल टेक the set D from the set universal set, and part 1 list all the elements of universal set D and D complement in the set, describe the D complement in the words. Okay, same as it is. Moving to the question number 11. What is the statement of question number 11? As question number 11 is given as universal set containing the first 10 letters of alphabet, English alphabet. Universal set. If I will mention here part 1. Okay. Universal set first 10 alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. How many? 2, 4, 6, 8. H, I, and J. This is the universal set containing first 10 English alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the 10 first alphabet. Okay, what is the next? D is the set of consonant. Okay, we will take all the other sets from this one universal set. We will observe that this is vowel letter, this is also vowel letter, and this is the vowel letter. Other elements, other letters or alphabet other than the vowel letters, which are the consonant. Now, what is the second set? That D is the set of consonants. So that means B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are the elements of set D, and same as it is, D prime will be the remaining elements, which are I, E, A. Arranging all these elements, A, E, I. These are the elements of set D prime. Okay. What is the second statement? Second statement is that describe the set D prime in words. Same as it is, this is the vowel letters. So part 2 will be written as it is. D prime is a set of vowel letters, but from where we took these vowel letters? We took these vowel letters from these first 10 alphabets. Vowel letters from first 10 English alphabets. English alphabets. Okay, 7th class, this is all about question number 10 and 11. If you have any question, you can ask me directly or indirectly through my WhatsApp group, or also you can also mention your question in comment section. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.